Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got from Loewe and also something I got from Celine recently. And stay tuned to the end of the video because I also have a super special reveal. So for those of you that haven't seen my shopping vlog, I will link it above. But my girlfriends and I, we went for a shopping day because it was one of my friend's birthdays and she just loves Loewe. So the day was all about her and she absolutely did pick up a couple of items. And of course I couldn't help myself, I did too. There was so much more I wanted to get there. But anyway, let's get right to the unboxing. So in this bag, I actually have shown this already, but I did get an extra box. But this was just the Lunar New Year red packets. For those of you that have been following me for ages, you know every year for the past 6-7 years, I have done a giveaway with all these beautiful designer red packets. And just for those that didn't watch the video, Loewe's is one of my favorite because this year is the year of the snake. And theirs is so creative because you've got the snake and it slithers out. And then it also retracts back in. I just think Loewe did a great job. I love their envelopes. I love their box. Everything about it is just quality. So I did hand out a few of these during Lunar New Year. And of course, the winners of my giveaway will get one of these along with, 16 other designer red packets. So if you're ever interested in this, when it's about January or depending when Lunar New Year is, when you make a purchase, just ask the store, can I get a pack of these? Because they're beautiful. And I know a lot of you are stationery lovers or you collect red packets, but that was what was in this box. And the Loewe team was so kind because each of my friends got one of these as well. So that made it extra special. Okay, next in this box. And how beautiful is this box? So this was from one of their collaborations that they did with a ceramic Japanese designer, but they still had the packaging. So I'm like, yes, I would love a box. So this might not be what you guys think I got. I didn't get a bag, but two of my friends did. I'll share that in a second. But what I picked up in here, okay, so a little cute tag, which I think is a whale, and part of this collaboration they had like whales and rabbits and all little cute cartoons, as you can tell from their shopping bag. But anyway, let me show you what I got. And I got something, well, I really got it for hubby, but we can share. And it is this gorgeous emerald green, because I'm obsessed with emerald green, sort of thick cotton shirt. But I would wear it as sort of like a shacket because the material is not like your normal thin cotton. You could actually wear it as a jacket. And I just love that it's a little bit more low-key because, as you know, hubby also doesn't like things that are too logo-y. I've made mistakes with that in the past. But with this, you've just got Loewe in self-colored embroidery on the pocket. So I haven't got hubby to try this on. I hope it fits him. But I plan to wear it with denim and maybe like a cute little crop singlet underneath and then roll up the sleeves. I'll put a video of when I tried it on in store. And I just loved it. So this is from the men's section. What I love about Loewe's clothing is that it is really unisex. So I own a couple pairs of their denim and I am still thinking about the barrel jeans that I tried on. You guys had a lot of mixed reactions. Some of you were like, Mel, I love them. And a couple of you were like, Mel, they just don't suit you. Because I wasn't sure and the shape is quite different and I wouldn't say it's a very classic silhouette. I'm just thinking about it. So I got this shirt because I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it because this is one of my favorite colors. Plus, hubby can actually wear it too. And he actually doesn't have like an emerald green shirt like this. So of course, when I tried it on with my girlfriends and I, we've been friends for over 30 years and of course, when we try it on, I'm always encouraging my friends to get into emerald green. So actually the birthday girl, Shireen, she bought the exact same shirt. She was like really surprised. I think sometimes things don't have hanger appeal, but if you're not sure about stuff, always just try it on because you never know. I just loved it. So she got this shirt and I got this shirt. I just don't mind if we all get the same thing because we can be twinning, or even if 3 of us get stuff, which we have, we've got Gucci shoes in the past, we can be, what's that word? I don't even know. Trinning? No, you can't say trinning, can you? But you know what I mean. So yes, that is what I got. Another thing that I absolutely love, which a lot of you were like, Mel, you should get it, was this ruched bomber jacket. And that's another purchase I'm thinking about. It is very classic, but that was like almost 4,000 Australian dollars. So this one, or designer ready to wear, as you know, is pretty expensive. So I'm gonna just get the receipt. But this one was reasonable, and I think that for cost per wear, it would be okay because hubby and I are sharing it. So this one is still expensive. It was $1,485 for the shirt, but as I said, it's sort of like in a thicker material. Like I could use this as like a lighter jacket as well. And then in terms of what my other friend got, so Shireen, the birthday girl, she got this, and then she also got the LOEWE mini camera bag. Now, for those of you that want a designer bag under 2,000, and it's getting harder and harder to get, I really recommend the LOEWE mini camera bag. So she got that in a beautiful sort of pale gray, but it's got like a touch of green in it, just a touch, and she loves it. And for those that missed my last vlog, she was like messaging us and saying, oh my gosh, this bag is so tiny, but it fits so much. And so I'm just gonna put a little snippet here because she was so excited about it.
How much this can hold. Put your wallet. Well, unless you've got a really big wallet. Hand sanitizer, lip balm, moisturizer, hair tie, sunnies in your hat, or you could use this for your phone. How good is this? It just fits it all.
So that's a little what fits inside. And that bag, I think, was $1,850. And then I was super excited that my other friend bought her first designer bag. So she also got the same mini camera bag because, yeah, it was such a good price, $1,850. And I think USD is like maybe 1,100 or something like that. And she bought it in the classic black. So if you love a crossbody bag and something very multifunctional because it's got like 2 pockets, definitely get that. So it was nice because 3 of us got things, and one of my other friends wanted to get a belt, but unfortunately it wasn't in stock. So it was a very happy LOEWE shopping day. And then what I got from Celine. It's been a while since I've purchased from Celine. Love their gold bag. And this is something I've been thinking about for a while, but what I thought I was gonna get, I didn't end up getting. So beautiful box. And so this wasn't on the day I went with my friends. This was when I just was popping into the store. They kindly saved me red packets as well. But anyway, in here, I bought, dun dun dun, my first Celine belt. Now, Celine belts have been so popular, and the one that has been the most popular, I would say, is the one that has the Triumph logo. So I thought I was gonna go in and just get the classic Triumph logo, but then I saw this and I really loved it. So the classic one doesn't have this sort of rectangle around it. And let me just peel this off. I loved this one for a couple of reasons, because one, I actually like this square buckle a bit more. It's a little bit more vintagey, which is totally up my alley. And another reason is that I love this color. I don't own a burgundy belt. I almost bought the Gucci one, but I'm glad I didn't because I love this more. And this one here is great because it is reversible. So it's burgundy on one side and it is white on the other, and it's got the beautiful gold buckle. So I was very lucky because this was the last one in Australia. I didn't even know they had this style since it's been a while since I've gone into store. So what do you guys think? I mean, with the classic Celine belt with the Triumph logo, you can't go wrong. But I just thought this was a little bit different, and then the color makes it extra special. So let me tell you the price of this. This one is slightly more expensive than the regular classic version. So this, is 1,150 Australian dollars. And I believe the traditional classic one, I think it's just under 1,000, if I'm not mistaken. So those are the two things that I got. I also wanted to do a quick mention because I thought it was really sweet. So Miss S has, she's been into shopping a bit more. So what I'm wearing, she actually bought for me, which was so cute. It is just a Temu purchase. And I think, teenagers nowadays, when she was buying a little phone case, which was like $2 or something, she saw this and she says that it reminds her of a Dior shirt that I have, which it does. It's not exactly a Toile de Jouy pattern, but it has that vibe, and I thought it was so cute. And of course the quality isn't the best, but I actually really like the style. It's sort of see-through, it's got the pearlesque buttons, shorts, and it's perfect for today's weather because even though we are officially in autumn, Melbourne's been having great weather. So we are going out this afternoon. It is like a beautiful 32 degrees today. And then my earrings are from Gingerberry, which you guys have already seen me wear, which I adore. They're actually a 2-in-1, so you can wear it as a stud or you can take this attachment off. And I still have my discount code if you were interested as well. And then since I was wearing pink today, I'm wearing my pink Rolex Oyster Perpetual. And I really need to wear this more since it's so pretty. I waited a while for this, but that went perfectly with my outfit. So I thought I might as well just share what I got because I thought that was really sweet of Miss S to get that. And then finally, last but definitely not least, my special reveal is, ta-da! My new little baby. That's another reason why I haven't been as active, because this little baby got a little bit sick, so we were looking after him. We have had him for a few weeks now, and he has almost doubled in size. Oh, look. So we adopted another rag doll. He looks like a full-size cat right now, but this is Churro. Say hi. It's Churro. Since we have Chino, Chai, and this is little Churro. So Churro is another rag doll, but he is slightly whiter. So he has got the softest fur. Churro, okay, he's gone. But Churro has been so loving. Hubby was like not sure about third cat. A lot of you guys were like, Mel, I bet you any money you're gonna get a third cat. And we did. It was 2 years after we got Chai, and it took a little bit more time to integrate since Chino and Chai have been by themselves for like 2 years. And when we got Chai, Chino was 6 months. But now they all get along, and guys, I am just obsessed. I know, I am a crazy cat lady, but they just bring me so much joy. And even though Churro got a little bit sick, he's so much better now. And can I just say, he is very food motivated. It's just so amazing how they're all different, but each of them have their own quirks, and I just love them so much. So to end off, I'm gonna put a little montage of, Churro's first few weeks with us. I would love to know if you own any dogs and cats, and what are their names, and how many do you have? Is 3 cats too many? Should I add 4? I have a friend that has 5. I don't think I'll ever get to 5, but 3 is a little bit more of a handful now, but the whole family is really loving our new little addition. So guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day or night, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.
I know. You like mommy.